In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood prop on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located under the hood. Whenever you're taking one of the two pistons off, it's always a good idea to put something there to help support the hood. To remove, you're going to pull out this clip here using a pick or a flathead screwdriver and wiggle off that. We're going to do the same on the top. It's good to have a hand on the hood as you do this. And remove. Place it on the bottom, push it on, and now we're going to place it on the top. Push it on, and now we're going to test it out. Let's remove our prop. Looking good. Once you know it works, you're good to go. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.